not long ago, my buddy John McCain passed away. My predecessor friend that's how he ended his career.
Past your house. Ah, is that so? I says. Mm-hmm. Yep, that's right, he says. All those trains gonna go right past here. And the best thing for you, Prophet, is to sell your land to the company.
The amount of things you can cut. Let me be precise.
More? Usually just a fry-up for me, what with 12 dogs. A bit more? That's a boy.
Tremendous amount of things you can do, not cut. He said, but the bottom line is, he's still out.
I want you to understand, we don't do anything illegal whatsoever. I mean, you could talk to the SEC there at my office.